Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here. Now we're talking about tire inflators. As you know, those junk ones that you get at Walmart burn up and they don't do the job. We are going to share with you the one we use. It is a standard for our tire inflators when we go out on a job or we have to go inflate a tire or something that we need. Something good, not too expensive, but does the job. This is as good or better than the lower end Viairs that are out there, and it is extremely affordable and really does a fantastic job. Let's get busy. Let's unpackage this beast and see where we're at. Your air hose comes in a nice bag. Comes with your 2 battery if you have to plug in to your cigarette lighter. Works real well. This is just a backup. You can keep this right in your trunk. Nice pouch on the side. Quite heavy, which is a good sign. I'll break out my little jackknife here. And we're actually going to do a test of this so you can see how it works. And it comes with your power cord. You plug that in right there, and that goes to your battery. Nice long cord too. We've never had it be too short on us. So it's a 2-cylinder, so it gives you that extra power and air that you need. Nice gauge, as I mentioned. And I love the straight-on connector. Much better than the curved ones that a lot of times you can't get them to the valve stem. The case is really nice because it allows you to take it wherever you want, put it in your trunk. It's got nice rubber footies below it right here. And as I said, it's quite heavy. All right, let's test this thing out. Now this is set up for 2 minutes to inflate a 195 65 15-inch wheel or tire. This 15-inch, this one is a 17-inch. It's a 215, it's larger, and it is a the same on the 65, but it is a 17-inch, 2 inches larger. So we'll cut it some slack when it comes to that, but we'll let the air all out of it, take the core out. And it says it'll inflate the 15-inch wheel, 195/15, within 2 minutes. We're going to completely drain it out. We'll set the timer down here and see what it actually puts into it in 2 minutes. And I'll speed the camera up so you don't have to sit here for 2 minutes watching it. Once the air completely comes out, 0 poundage. And of course, this is actually lifting the car while you do it. Turn it on at the same time we hit the start button here. And then I'll check the temperature of the cylinders to see what they're at. And right now, cold, they're at 59 degrees, if you can see that. 59, 60 on there. All right, at 2 minutes, and the gauge is very accurate on these. It says it is at 27 pounds, and it will do 35 pounds in 2 minutes on a 15-inch wheel. And as you can see, it's raised it up quite a bit. And the temperature of those pumps are from, what, 56? That one's at 63, and that one's at 65. Let's see how much longer it takes to fill it up to 32 pounds. We will go right to 4 minutes, and and then I'll shut it off and check the pressure. All right, we are at 33 pounds, if you can see that, and our temperature is at about 72 degrees on both of them at the same point checked. So we have 33 pounds in that tire. It is 2 inches larger, lifted the whole vehicle up in less than 4 minutes, and the motors are not hot to the touch in any way, shape, or form.